สวัสดีครับ Welcome to my dish channel. I'm Jim again. And today we will do stir fry noodles called Pad Siu or flat noodle stir fry. Don't worry, it's not difficult, it's so easy. Let's check out what we need first. Let's talk about noodles. We use this type of noodles. It's flat noodles. It's made from rice. Alright? We have it pre-cooked like this. It's soft and sticky. Alright? But for you guys, you have it dry. So you soak it in normal water around half an hour to 1 hour before you cook, not hot water. Otherwise too soft and it's all mushy when you stir fry it. And this is Chinese kale. Alright, we do it like this. You separate all the branches. Alright, and for the big stem here, don't throw it away. This part is so yum. But you have to do it like this. Cut it half if it's too long, and there will be 2 layers, inside and out. You peel only the outside skin off because it's hard to chew it, a lot of fibers. Alright, do it like this. It takes time, guys. Just keep going. Alright, I show you only half, and then you just cut it small. You can do it like this, as a round one like this, or make it in angle. Alright, and then we will boil only the stem to make it a little bit soft. For the leaf like this, you don't have to boil it, but we do it like this. Okay, I'll take this one out first. See the stem here again? Cut it off. And this part is so yum. Keep it. Okay, we boil together with the hard stem. And the leaf, right? We just chunk it. You don't have to boil the leaf. Why? Because it shrinks. When you stir fry, it will shrink. Alright? That's it. Let's start cooking. Warm up the oil. We need around 2 tablespoons. Medium heat. Warm it up around 10 to 15 seconds. And then you put garlic in. Yes. And keep cooking until you get the smell. Around 20 seconds. 15 to 20 seconds should be okay. Until you can smell the aroma of the garlic, right? And then you put meat in. Today I use pork, but you can use chicken, beef, lamb, ham, it's up to you. Keep cooking until the pork cooked. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Okay. Okay. Now this is the trick, right? Set everything above like this, and then you put egg in. Alright? Break the yolk and then swirl the wok like this. Don't touch it, okay? We want to have pieces of egg, not scrambled egg. Yes. And leave it until it's almost cooked. Yes. Alright, almost cooked, and then you mix it with the pork, right? Try to separate it. See? Beautiful. And then noodles in. Followed by, what is it? light soy sauce. Sorry. And then this is oyster mixed with the dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce gives you the color. Stem that I boiled already. Now the leaves. And then, you know, scoop. Oh, I forgot sugar. Sugar, half a teaspoon. And then scoop. Keep scooping, see? You can make it darker by put more dark soy sauce, but for me, I like it only brown. Just be careful with the light soy sauce, right? No, not the light soy sauce, the dark soy sauce. Some brand is very, very salty. You have to try it, okay? Keep cooking like this until you see the leaves a little bit, you know, soft and shrinks, right? Yes. And then turn the gas off. Put it on the plate. Slowly put it in. Yes. Beautiful. Look at this. Basil. Very easy. Let's try it. Normally it's plain. Not bad. Squid more lamb. Yes. More sugar. Sorry, Sally. Alright, and chili flakes. Woo. And then mix it. You see the Chinese kale, right? See? Oh, it's so yum. It is so yum. Try it again with pork. Soft and crunchy. Pad siu. Pad means stir or fried. Siu means soy sauce. Now you know what it means. Cool. See you next time. Thank you. And wish you were here.